My name is Christy. Welcome back to another edition of Animals, Authors, and Art. This week we're going to be reading a book entitled What in the World? Nature in Numbers by Nancy Raines Day. Before we begin, I wanted to take a moment and let you know that we are reading this book with permission from the publisher, Simon & Schuster. Now let's get started. What in the World? Nature in Numbers by Nancy Raines Day, illustrated by Kurt Cyrus. What in the world comes one by one? A nose, a mouth, the moon, the sun. What in the world comes two by two? A pair of birds with wings of blue. What in the world comes grouped in threes? Leaves of a clover, bodies of bees. What in the world comes 4 by 4? Petals of poppies, hooves, and more. What in the world comes 5 by 5? The arms of sea stars, all alive. What in the world comes 6 by 6? The twiggy legs of walking sticks. What in the world are there 7 of? Colors in rainbows arched above. What in the world comes 8 by 8? Octopus limbs that undulate. What in the world comes grouped in 9s? Stickleback fishes, prickly spines. What in the world comes 10 by 10? Fingers and toes that wiggle and bend? And what comes in sets too big to count? Stars in the sky. A vast amount. I hope you enjoyed listening and following along to this week's book. The animal we will be learning more about this week is the sea star. Do you remember from the book how many arms a sea star has? That's right, 5. Let's learn some more fun facts about this animal. Sea stars, also known as starfish, are not actually fish. They belong to a group of marine animals called echinoderms. Echinoderms are invertebrates, which means they don't have a backbone. There are more than 1,000 different species of sea star. They can be found all over the world in all the oceans on our planet. Sea stars are carnivorous, which means they eat other animals. Some of their favorites are mollusks, such as clams, oysters, and snails. In order to eat, the sea star will grab onto its prey and guide it to its mouth. Their mouth is actually located on the underside of their body in the center of their arms. Our art project this week is creating paper plate sea stars like these. Visit our website, 100miles.org/animals, authors, and art for instructions on how to complete this project. I hope you enjoyed this week's edition of Animals, Authors, and Art. Don't forget to check out our other virtual programs, Nature in Your Neighborhood and Family Nature Friday. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.